Welcome back to the garage, everybody. Today we're going to be finishing up our adventure where we got to go to the Go Power Sports Cool Start Picnic. We got to see some really cool bikes, meet some great builders, and have a real good time visiting some local breweries and restaurants. And we got to see the stockyards and have a great time in the city of Fort Worth. This is the rest of that adventure. Check out the merch. Got a nice shirt in. Let's go.
Howdy y'all, and welcome to my shop. Join my family and me as we build projects and go on adventures. My name is Waylon, and this is Muddy Turtle Motors. Hey everybody, so we're out on our adventure today, and we left the house a little while ago, and there was some bad traffic, so we decided to detour over to Waco. We wanted to go by we went to Southern Roots Brewing Company, and this is a really great little place. If you want to stop in and have a pizza, get a beer, check this place out. And they got board games over on the wall if you want to hang out and play. Taps where they serve all the different beers. Say hi, Rock. Active Brewery back in this corner over here, and then that's the pizzeria over there. This is a really cool little place. Anyways, we ordered us a couple small pizzas, and it smells wonderful. Alright, so that one is... That's the one you are. Yep. So go ahead and take a leak. Nope. Uh-oh. It's stout. It's stout. Not bad. It's like stout. What's that one?
It's sour.
Is it sour? What is it? Tastes like juice. It's like the sour juice. I'm surprised you don't like that. Alright, hot blonde. Hopefully it's not hot. Poppy. Yeah, not bad. This one's Surfside. I like that one. Tastes dirty. A is Alicia, this one. Try that one. Here you go. It's Alicia. Tastes like tamales. That would be good with enchiladas. Yes, it does take another step. It does. It tastes like a tamale. It does. It tastes like a corn and the taste of the good. That's a tamale flavor to it. Not tamale. Tortilla, sorry. Not a tamale. It tastes like a tortilla. Maybe, yeah, tamale, but like the outer, the corn husk wrap. Yes. You taste what I'm tasting? No? Okay, that's easy. Cosmic Rhapsody. This one. The hazy. Tastes like nice again. Let's do Gunfighters next. You got 2 more plays to play. Come on, try to get Gunfighters. I should just have the camera on your face. That one tastes like. Can't put my finger. It's another IPA. Different kind of flavor. It's probably the best one of the bunch. Like that one. That's good. If I had one to just sit and drink, it'd be better. The hazy is dirty. Well, now we gotta drink them. I got to drink them. Oh man, I'm so disappointed. That one tastes like that.
That's the dirty one.
Tastes like a tortilla. You're right, Alicia was the one who was saying earlier. Now that I tasted it, that one tastes good. It tastes like a tortilla. Yeah. Like, well, corn tortilla. Well, you like flour tortillas. Well, that tastes like corn tortilla. Yeah, do you? Try it again. So the apple. Thank you. That's the first. That's right. Something like that. Oh, that's me. Thank you.
Hold up! Turbo says don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, share this video, ring the bell, and hit that like button. Now back to the video.
And then they just glide away. Look at those. Like Charles Hughes.
boys have two. Shark. Eel.
The picture doesn't do it justice how big it is.
No.
Come back here in a second.
Oh man, the eels are moving.
Shark again. These are real axolotls.
Not Minecraft ones.
Raise up right here and you can see the ones in the back real good. They're just kind of hanging out right there. It's a frenzy.
You see my ear friends?
You got it. You hit him in the tummy.
There he goes. Yeah, he likes the crab claws.
That's so cool.
But he'll throw a little temper tantrum if he messes up on eating a mussel.
He feels more like a shark. They have the same kind of feeling.
Lobsters. I don't see any of them holding claws.
I think these are little girls. They don't have big feet.
Just leave him over there. Because we were working with food.
Jared, it's the sugar gliders. I know.
See if I like it right now.
it. Thanks for watching!
Check out this place called Brisky's Barbecue. They've got wonderful food, but the appetizers are amazing. They got deep fried brisket bites, and they give you ranch dipping sauce with barbecue sauce mixed in. It's awesome. You have to try it.
So we ordered the 3-meat meal to share. I'm glad we got it to share. Oh my goodness. That was a lot of food. See, that's just too much. One pickle too much. Holy crap.